Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to help you with computer activity 3. This one talks about loops as well as angles. This is also part of lesson 7 in code.org. So if you have access to your code.org account, you can go in and work on lesson 7. Otherwise, I just need the worksheet back with your answers circled. So for puzzle 1, we need to make this robot's head. We have to make a square with sides that are 100 pixels. Remember that squares have 90-degree angles, so whichever way you're turning, you want to make sure it's 90 degrees. So option A suggests that we move forward by 100 and turn right 90 degrees and repeat that 4 times. Well, a square does have 4 sides, so repeating it 4 times sounds like a good idea. Let's see if that is the correct answer. Move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, repeat all of that 4 times, and let's see if that works. Perfect. So letter A is the answer. Letter B is not the answer because it's a 120-degree angle, and that is not the angle of a square or a rectangle. Okay, for our next puzzle on the worksheet, puzzle number 2, looks like a stop sign. It says, give the stop sign a border, that means the outer edges, by making an octagon with 100 pixel sides, but we're only allowed to use 4 blocks. So an octagon is an 8-sided shape. So the angles will not be 90 degrees if you remember that little hint I gave you at the beginning of the packet. So it says repeat 8 times, move forward by 100, and option A says turn right 90 degrees. So we said this isn't a square, so option A should not be correct. That did not work. That drew 2 squares over top of each other. So we want to try a turn right by 45 degrees for our octagon. Awesome. So letter B is the answer for puzzle 2. So moving on now to number 3 on your worksheet. Puzzle 3 on your worksheet is a sort of V star shaped. It's a bunch of V's put together. So each side of the V is 50 pixels. So anytime we need to move forward, we need to make sure that it's 50. So how many V's are in this shape? We can count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that should give us a hint that we're going to draw 8 V's. So we would need a repeat of 8. Also, if you look at this shape closely, which you may or may not be able to tell on your worksheet, this is a square, and then this is also a diamond, which is just a square tilted on its side. So all of these angles are also 90-degree angles on these corners, okay? But these ones right here are not 90 degrees. So we're going to have 2 different turns with 2 different angles in them. So we did say we need to repeat what we're doing 8 times, but we can always double check that we're doing it correctly by just drawing 1. So if we have our little artist turn right by 45 first, because remember this is not a 90-degree angle, move forward by 50, just like the directions told us. Then I'll have to turn left by 90. Remember, this is just like a square, tilted on the side. Move forward by 50. Okay, so let's run that and see if we get 1V. So we did get 1V. So how many times do we need to repeat that we said in the beginning? We said 8 because there are 8 V's in this entire picture. So if we put in 8 in our repeat block, now we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer for puzzle number 3 is letter A, because we need to move forward by 50 pixels to draw our V's. If we have 100 pixels, our V's will be too big. And then the last one is a matching. So if you look at puzzle 4, if you look at how many sides each shape has. So for example, a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. If you look at the answers, there's only one that's repeating 3 times. Okay, so this would be a move forward by 100, turn right by 120, move forward by 100, turn right by 120, move forward by 100, and that should draw a triangle. Now a square repeats 4 times. Move forward by 100, turn right. Remember, a square has 90-degree right angles. Turn right by 90, move forward 100, turn right by 90, move forward 100, turn right by 90, move forward 100, turn right by 90. For our next shape, this is a 6-sided shape. It's a hexagon. So again, the angles are not going to be 90 degrees, and it needs to repeat 6 times. Move forward 100, turn right by 60, 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 that's 5. Move forward 100, turn right by 60, that's 6. And then if you're doing the worksheet, you will not see this rhombus shape on your worksheet. That was just an extra one thrown in there online. So that should help you with your worksheet. If you can have your adult snap a picture of the completed worksheet and email it to me, I will be able to get you your grade. Take care.